I've been to prison 4 times.
4 times?
My son's 18 years old. I've been in this criminal system since I was pregnant with my son. I remember doing my first 4 months in the county jail, and I was pregnant with my son. When I got off the bus and the lady officer walked up to us and she said, everybody line up. So I lined up and I'm thinking, okay, we're going to just line up and we're going to change our clothes or something. And she's going to pat us down. No, this lady said, take off everything you own off your body. And I said, excuse me. It was very degrading. It was like, I felt like a dog, like getting pressure washed. I mean, all I seen was this lady we took off all our clothes. She came and she put some lice stuff in our hair. And that's when I realized, wow, I'm in prison. If you've never been there, like I said, you're going to see things that you're going to be like, wow, this is like TV almost. You're going to see violence. You're doing time with people that don't care. They have nothing to lose. So it is very scary. I was shot in my face with a .357, my left side of my face, as you can see here. And I was also on life support. I had a trach and, to be able to breathe. The ambulance came and they were like, no, she's not going to make it. So I remember getting airlifted. I don't remember after that. I guess that's when I was gone by then. And I was in a coma for 31 days. I lost the fear of prison and I was comfortable being in prison. I didn't have to worry about bills. I didn't have to worry about the things that was going on out here in the world. So it was more, I really don't want to say institutionalized. And then sometimes I even got more comfortable because anytime I got in trouble, I'm like, oh, I'll just call John because John's going to get me out of it. John's going to get me out of this situation. I feel like this last time, it was my hardest time. And I say my hardest time because I learned a lot I used all my experiences before and I just put them all together. And I said, this is not for me. I'm tired. I need to find out what in my life that I need to be doing with myself. God kept me here for a reason. What is my purpose? Today, my goal is I do want to be an addiction teacher. I want to be able to teach theft classes. I would recommend you. I mean, there again, John, you're more than amazing. You go above and beyond to help anybody. I've seen you in action, not just with me. I've seen you handle other cases. I've referred plenty of people to you. I mean, there's times you've even helped me and you weren't even representing me. You're very honest. I don't have to ever worry about, he's going to just tell me something because he wants my money. He didn't tell me the cows are coming home because he wants that $5,000. And I respect you for that. I thank you. And I know I will refer anybody to you. You're the definition of a miracle.